Welcome back. We are covering number 15 of 20 tips to get you started with Microsoft OneNote for Mac. A lot of these tips are also going to be very similar to what you'd find in a Windows OneNote version, but again, there may be some a couple of nuances that will require you to check it out, and it may be a little bit different. So but again, this is for Mac, because this is what I'm producing this video series on, and we're going to jump right in. And number 15 is here, moving pages to another section. So I'm going to move over to OneNote here. And there's two ways to do this, okay? Number one, let's just say the last video we talked about how to actually create a page within a section. So if you watched the last video, this should look familiar to you. So again, this is Michigan State football. They have a top recruit, and maybe he is a two-sport player and wants to play basketball also. And so has decided not to play football, but to play basketball also. So I want to just hand over the notes or move the notes over that I collected in that discussion. There's two ways you can do it. You can left click and drag it over, and I'll show you the other way in terms of the right click way to bring it back. So just going to drag this over to the basketball section. You'll see that the page has disappeared, and then I'm going to jump over to the basketball section, and you see that it showed up. So that's one way, dragging and dropping, right? It's pretty intuitive. The second way is you got to right click on the actual page itself. If you left click on the section, that's going to bring you up the option to move the section. That's not what you want to do. You want to right click on the page, and you want to click move page to, right? And then here it is. We're in Michigan State. He was in the football section before. We're going to move it back there. Click move, and then we're going to go back up, and there you go. It's back and it's there. So again, a lot of times what will happen with this is that you'll either take notes or start a page in the wrong section, and instead of trying to go back and copy and paste everything in, it's just pretty easy to drag and drop in and move it from one section to the other. We're going to do it again. We're going to do the left click, drag and drop. We're going to move it from football to basketball here, right? See that? And it's gone, and then it shows up here. And then we're going to cover it again, right? We're going to just right click. And again, I want to make sure you understand, if you're clicking on this and you're saying, hey, I don't see the page here, I only see the section, you have to actually be clicked on and right click on the actual page itself. So right click, and then we'll move page 2 back to football. Okay, and you can move it to other, you see the other notebooks that you have here, but we're just going to keep it here just for ease of use. And then we'll go back over and we'll validate, and there it is. So that's it, and nothing too complicated with it. And we're going to go ahead and stop the video at this point in time. But before we go, do me a favor, click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button. Feel free also, I'll have the video playlist shared in the description. Feel free to share that with somebody who that's just getting started, either in a brand new job or getting started in school and is not familiar with OneNote and the many uses that it has. I think it's ideal for taking notes and being productive in meetings. And again, it's searchable. So maybe you want to share this video series with them, or maybe it's for you. But feel free to share that. But again, click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and then also click the alert button. And we will talk to you at the next video.